Are you tired of thinking how to make a delicious and super creamy cheesecake without oven? I'm very sure that you're going to love this video. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So today, I'm going to show you how I made this super soft and super creamy cheesecake without using an oven. If you want to know how I made it, just keep on watching. So guys, today I'm going to show you how I made this amazing chocolatey, super soft, super easy, and just beyond delicious steamed cheesecake. And I top it with my homemade chocolate ganache. So let's get started. First things off is to fill your pot with water and make sure to put enough water for an hour boiling. Place the pot on the fire. Put your steamer on it and cover and let it boil. Next, prepare a baking pan. Put some grease and spread it all over the pan so that the cake batter does not stick. Remove the excess oil using a paper towel. Set aside for later use, and these are the ingredients we need in this recipe. And those are the ingredients we need in this recipe. It's time to cream and combine the ingredients. Using an electric hand mixer, add the cream cheese and sugar and mix it for 2 to 3 minutes until it becomes a creamy mixture. Then add the eggs one at a time. It's very important to add the eggs slowly so that it will give everything a chance to get to know each other, to mix together and become one. If you add the eggs all at once, the butter-fat mixture won't be able to absorb it all and won't create a nice suspension. Now it's time to add the cream, but before that, I'll mix the milk into it. I'm just going to mix it to soften the cream. Then, I'm going to pour it into the cream cheese mixture. And also add the lemon juice and the vanilla. And mix until combined. And now I'm adding the flour and just mix it until all the dry ingredients totally disappear or until creamy. Time to time, scrape the side and the bottom of the bowl just to make sure that all the ingredients are well combined. And this is the consistency of our cheesecake batter that we are looking for. And now, transfer the butter into your prepared pan. In steaming any kind of cake, it's very important to cover it before placing it into the steamer so that the cake will avoid getting watery. the steamer is hot and ready. Place the pan in the steamer, cover and steam for about 45 minutes in medium-high heat and 15 minutes into low heat. While waiting for our cheesecake to get ready, I am going to make a chocolate ganache, the chocolate sauce that I'm going to pour into the top of our cheesecake. And here's the ingredients I need: cocoa powder, sugar, corn flour, butter, milk, and also a dash of vanilla extract. And that's it, simple and so basic. So in a sauce pot like this, pour all the ingredients together and stir until all are well combined. Place the pot on the stove with a low flame and stir continuously until it thickens. When the mixture gets thick, add the butter and vanilla. Stir and turn off the fire. Then set it aside for later use. And now our steamed cake is ready. I'll just going to let it cool down for a little while before transferring it into the serving plate and before pouring my homemade chocolate ganache. Time to top our cheesecake with my homemade chocolate sauce. You can also top with any topping sauce you like, guys. It's not necessary to always top it with chocolate. But for me, the super delicious chocolate sauce of mine is just perfect blend with my cheesecake recipe. And here's my amazingly chocolatey, super soft, super easy, and just beyond delicious steamed cheesecake.
Wow!
I hope this video thrilled you to bake a cheesecake. If you like it, give me a thumbs up, leave some comments down below, and tap the notification bell so that you're always notified every time I have new upload. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Life is so beautiful, guys. Keep smiling. Thank you for watching and see you on my next video. Bye!